Bridget Hom here. The number one problem for us as human beings having a human experience is that we overcomplicate everything, right? And the truth is, the key to happiness and success is to simplify. Simplify your life, simplify your headspace, focus on directions, decisions, and destinations. Ask yourself, what is the goal? Get more present. And then lastly, look at your hours of operation as a business owner. And are you overcomplicating your to-do list? Are you overcomplicating what you need to do or say next to move the needle for business growth? Pause with a purpose. Let me give you 2 strategies to help simplify your day today. First, mindset first. Brain dump. Set a 2-minute timer and empty your headspace out on paper. You will find the gift of peace of mind, which you deserve to have today. And you'll be more intentional with every conversation, with every task, with every meeting, with every appointment you have, because you're more intentional and you'll feel more present, which makes us feel happier. Second, I want you to look at your tasks today. And I want you to get laser focused on monetizing your influence. I want you to write your task and then the dollar sign that it's worth. So task to dollar signs. When you brain dump, when you simplify, empty the head trash, you're going to feel better, happier, and more connected to your life today. And if you do your tasks to dollar signs today, you're going to be more productive, proactive, and profitable. Wishing you happiness and success. Make moves today. You deserve to empower other people today and be empowered yourself.